Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. It gets bigger and bigger. This is what compound interest does for your money. It's like magic, but it's real. Compound interest is earning interest on your interest. Let's say you invest $100 at a 5% interest rate. In the first year, you earn $5 in interest. But in the second year, you earn interest on $105, not just the original 100. This may seem small at first, but over time, it creates a snowball effect, leading to significant growth. Think of it like this. You're not just earning money on your initial investment. You're earning money on the money your money is making. It's like your money is working for you, even while you sleep. This is the beauty of compound interest. The longer you let your money compound, the more powerful the effect becomes. This is why it's so important to start investing early, even if you can only invest small amounts. Every little bit counts, and the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need a fortune to benefit from compound interest. Even small, consistent investments can grow into significant sums over time. Remember the snowball? It starts small, but becomes mighty. Let's say you invest just $50 a month in a retirement account, starting at age 25. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, you'd have over $1 million by the time you retire at 65. That's the power of compound interest. Now imagine starting 10 years later at age 35. Even if you doubled your monthly investment to $100, you'd still have significantly less at retirement, around $450,000. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compound interest. The lesson here is clear. Start early, even if you can only spare a small amount. The magic of compounding will work its wonders over time. The earlier you begin, the more significant your returns will be. Time is your most valuable asset when it comes to compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think of it as a race against time, and the earlier you start, the further ahead you'll be. Imagine two friends, both aiming to retire with $1 million. Friend A starts investing $200 a month at age 20. Friend B, however, only starts at age 30, investing $400 a month to catch up. Despite investing double the amount, Friend B will likely retire with less than Friend A. Why? Because Friend A had the advantage of time. Their money compounded for an extra 10 years, resulting in significantly more wealth. Even with smaller contributions, this highlights the importance of starting early, even with small amounts. The magic of compound interest takes time to work its wonders. The sooner you plant your money seeds, the more time they have to grow into a mighty financial tree. Don't underestimate the power of time in this equation. Want to know how long it takes for your money to double? There's a simple trick called the Rule of 72. Divide 72 by the interest rate, and you'll get the approximate number of years it takes for your investment to double. For example, if you're earning a 6% interest rate, divide 72 by 6, and you get 12. This means it would take approximately 12 years for your money to double at a 6% interest rate. Easy, right? This rule is a handy tool for estimating the growth potential of your investments. You can use it to compare different investment options and see how long it would take for your money to grow. Remember, the higher the interest rate, the faster your money doubles. While the Rule of 72 is a simplification, it provides a good starting point for understanding the power of compound interest. It helps visualize how your money can multiply over time, encouraging you to make informed investment decisions. Let's talk about real-world magic. Imagine turning $1,000 into $1 million. Sounds impossible? Not with the power of compound interest. While it requires time and discipline, it's an achievable goal. Let's say you invest $1,000 at age 20 in a diversified portfolio with an average annual return of 8%. Assuming you reinvest all earnings, your investment would grow to over $1 million by the time you turn 67. That's the magic of compounding in action. Of course, achieving such returns requires careful planning and investment choices. It's crucial to diversify your investments, manage risk, and stay informed about market trends. But the principle remains. Consistent investment coupled with time can lead to extraordinary growth. This example showcases the incredible potential of compound interest. While it may seem like a long journey, the rewards are well worth the patience and discipline required. Remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to building wealth. While compound interest is a powerful tool for wealth building, there are some pitfalls to avoid. Two major ones are high fees and inflation. These can eat into your returns and slow down your progress. High fees can significantly impact your investment growth over time. Imagine paying a 2% annual fee on your investments. It may not seem like much, but over 30 years, it can eat up a substantial portion of your returns, diminishing the power of compounding. Inflation is another silent wealth killer. It erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. If your investments aren't growing at a rate higher than inflation, your money is actually losing value, even if the numbers seem to be increasing. To maximize the benefits of compound interest, it's crucial to minimize fees by choosing low-cost investment options, and be mindful of inflation by ensuring your investments outpace its growth. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can protect your hard-earned money and allow it to grow steadily. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. The most important step is to start today. Even if you can only invest a small amount, it's better than waiting for the perfect time or until you have a large sum saved up. Remember the snowball analogy? Every snowflake counts. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow significantly over time. Don't underestimate the power of starting small and letting compound interest work its magic. There are many ways to start investing with small amounts. Consider micro-investing apps, fractional shares, or low-cost index funds. The key is to find an approach that fits your budget and risk tolerance. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't let procrastination hold you back from building a brighter financial future. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Consistency is crucial when it comes to harnessing the power of compound interest. It's not about making a one-time investment and hoping for the best. It's about making regular contributions, no matter how small, and letting them grow over time. Think of it like building a muscle. You wouldn't expect to see results by going to the gym once. It's about showing up consistently and putting in the work. The same principle applies to investing. Regular contributions, even if small, are key to long-term growth. Make saving a habit like brushing your teeth or paying your bills. Automate your investments so that a portion of your income is automatically invested each month. This takes the emotion out of investing and ensures that you're consistently contributing to your financial future. Remember, consistency is key to unlocking the full potential of compound interest. By making saving a habit, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions over time. Compound interest is more than just a financial concept. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and live a more secure and fulfilling life. By understanding and harnessing its power, you're taking control of your financial future. Imagine a life where you have the financial freedom to pursue your passions, retire comfortably, and support your loved ones. This is the promise of compound interest. It empowers you to build wealth over time, creating a brighter future for yourself and generations to come. Start today. Make a plan, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and unlock the transformative power of compound interest. The path to financial freedom is within your reach. Embrace the magic of compound interest and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. It's time to take charge of your financial well-being and create a future filled with possibilities.